There's just 1 week left until the court-ordered end to Title 42 on December 21st. The pandemic-era policy allows the U.S. to deport immigrants who cross illegally almost immediately on public health grounds. When it ends, Homeland Security Secretary Alejandro Mayorkas has predicted there could be as many as 18,000 illegal crossings per day. But there's a push to keep it in place. A bipartisan group of 4 congressmen and senators wrote to President Biden urging him to do everything he can to keep Title 42 until Congress can act. A group of 19 Republican state attorneys general are asking an appeals court to delay its end by overruling the lower court that said it's unlawful. Now, the White House is trying to prepare for the expected immigrant influx by asking Congress for $4 billion, $2 billion for CBP, $2 billion for ICE. The money would be used for migrant processing, transportation, and emergency food and shelter. Over the last 18 months, the Biden administration set up mobile processing centers and added personnel. But the White House says if Republicans want more, they will have to pass it through Congress on a bipartisan basis.
We know how to work with Republicans. Republicans know how to work with us. So why don't they work with us on this particular issue that is important to Americans across the country?
But House Republicans are calling for DHS Secretary Mayorkas to be impeached. They held a press conference Tuesday as Mayorkas was in El Paso touring facilities and meeting with personnel.
This isn't about somebody who is just not getting his job done. This is about a guy who is purposefully endangering the American people and migrants who seek to come here, and he's doing so for crass political purposes, using them as pawns, nothing more. So you bet this is a high crime and misdemeanor. You bet he should be impeached.
Texas Governor Greg Abbott is taking matters into his own hands. He announced his state will build more walls starting next month after negotiations with private landowners. However, a wall on private property is built off the borderline and does not stop people from getting into America. It only prevents immigrants from evading Border Patrol agents after they cross.